What you guys, got another video here for you. Just a quick updated video on the batch file, and I wanted to answer some of your questions because quite a few people left questions and also asked about certain other features that I could add to the script. So I've got two scripts here right now, and you can see I've got also an interaction type script here, which is more interactive, where some people wanted to be able to skip certain features rather than go through from 1 to 26. I've added in the actual interaction for this script. There's two now. You've got an automated one and also an interactive one. They're on the Discord server. I will be putting them on my website. So I've put in some extra little bits here so you can see, just to let you know that you need to close all the applications down that you want to clean, whether it be Discord, your browsers, and all those things. They need to be closed when you're running this tool because it's going to be cleaning out the cache of those areas and temp files and all that sort of stuff. So if you got those open, it's not going to clean it and it's going to probably skip it and close the actual script down. So one of the main questions I see was, can I make this script more interactive, i.e. where you can skip certain features? And the answer to that is yes. I've uploaded another script onto the Discord server where you can use this, where it will say yes or skip, and you'll be able to skip through some of the stuff you don't want to do and say yes to the ones that you do want to run and clean on the system. The calculating of total junk space, if you skip this, it's going to go straight to the actual bleach bit download. It's going to skip the whole lot because it wants to calculate how much space you have on the drive. This does take a bit of time, but once this is done, you can then run the actual script onto the next phase. There's also areas on here where people were asking about, can I add in a temp area to clean the temp files? Bleach bit would have done that, but I've added it in there anyway, so it's on there now, and I'll update the scripts after this video has gone live. So be patient and let me update those, and you'll be able to download the very latest version. So this is the interacted version of the script. You can see I'm having to either put Y for yes to clean the prefetch folder and S for skipping it. Some people have said that cleaning the prefetch folder actually slows down your PC. Yes, there's useful stuff inside the prefetch area that you can use to open up applications faster, but you may have stuff in there that is not being used anymore. Applications may have been uninstalled, and you may want to clear that prefetch folder out once in a blue moon, and you can do it. You don't have to clean the prefetch area every single day, but cleaning it out once a month is not going to hurt your PC or even slow down your PC. Some people ask for a percent temp percent area to be cleaned, and I've added that into the script as well. Bleach bit would have done that, but I've added it into the script. Some people have had even up to 60 gigabytes of data cleaned out of their system, 40 gigs and stuff like that. So if you want to use this, you can do it. Safe to use. There's no malicious code in here. There's no backdoors or any sort of malware in here. You can see the temp area is now getting cleaned. I've added that in there. So I will update these scripts. If you don't use Discord or you've got Discord open, it's not going to clean the cache because it's being used. You need to close Discord down and it will clean out the cached folder inside Discord. So you can see this is fully interactive, whereas the other one was more automated. So if you want to use the automated one, it's still up there right next to the interactive one. So you can download which one you want or download them both. Another question I see, people were saying it was getting flagged by Windows Defender. It's not been flagged on Windows Defender on my systems that I've tested it on, but you may be doing something different with Windows Defender because it's not working like that on my system. Also, ESET, I've scanned it, it doesn't flag it. I've run it on my system with ESET, it doesn't flag it at all. Some people were saying that Bitdefender was blocking it, and if that's the case, you're going to have to allow that to go through the system. There is no malware inside of this script. You can see all the code inside there. If you don't trust me, then don't use it. It's that simple. Also, another thing I wanted to point out is people were saying that it's not clearing out the history. It does clear out the history, as you can see right here. It's just that you've probably got your browser open and it's not going to clear that history out if your browser's open. It will force shut down the actual browser itself, and there's many different cleaners here for different types of browsers. Some people asking the question about passwords. Will it clear all my passwords out? More than likely, it's going to clear out all of the temporary files and also all of the history and search history and probably all of your passwords. So you might want to back up those because it is going to erase all of the old temporary files inside your browser. And that's what cleaning tools like software do, and scripts. It will clean out all of that information. That's the whole purpose of a PC cleanup utility like this or script. Another question I've seen people saying is, why on Discord? Why not on your website? I'm going to be adding this on my website in the next couple of days. I'm just trying to draw traffic to my Discord server. If you don't use Discord, just wait a couple of days and you'll be able to download it off my website. I will notify you in one of my videos that you can now download it off my website and it will be there. Also, another reason for not putting it straight on my website is because the amount of traffic that might have been going there to download it. And I didn't want to bring my web host to its knees by a load of people going there downloading this file. Whereas on Discord, they have plenty of bandwidth and they can handle that type of traffic. Now, some people are saying they're having trouble signing into Discord. Maybe you've not used Discord before, but Discord is very easy to set up. You just have to go through some of the questions that I have set up on Discord. Just do those and you'll be able to get into Discord, and I'll show you exactly where it is in this video stored on the server, because some people are saying they've joined the server and it's not there. It is there. It's always been there, and it's just people, you know, not looking or not even saying hi. There's loads of people joining, not saying hi or thank you. And some people have even joined the server, downloaded the files and then left the server immediately. And that just goes to show you how selfish some people are. But at the end of the day, this is only a bit of fun. It's nothing fantastic. It's just a tool that you can use to clean out junk files on your PC. It's not going to reinvent the wheel. There's plenty of other things out there that do exactly the same thing. BleachBit is a great tool. If you want to use BleachBit and don't use the script, go ahead and download BleachBit. If you want to use Privacy, go and download Privacy. That's another great bit of software, and don't use the script if you want to do that. It's entirely up to you. There's plenty of options available out there. This was just a bit of fun to give something back to the community so they can have something to use. But other than that, if you do want to use BleachBit, there's plenty of options in here which will do a deep clean of the system. Again, this will, you know, remove a lot of junk files. People were talking about the free space puts a lot of wear and tear on the SSD. It's not going to kill your SSD. It's not going to put any massive miles on it by using this once every so many months. You don't have to run the free space on this all the time. You could just use it whenever you see fit to clear out any sort of free space if you have sensitive information on your drive. So those are the two options: automated version on the left, and we also have the other version, which is interactive. So you can use these if you want to. They're on the Discord server. Or wait a couple of more days and I'll put them on my website when traffic has calmed down. People have also asked about, can they change the code? You can add in what you like on the script if you want to. Just be respectful and leave my logo up the top and leave any sort of credit towards me, like this right here. Don't go removing all of this and try to make it your own, because that's not the done thing. At least leave some credit to me and my hard work for giving you a script that you can use to clean up your PC. So leave the structure as it is and just basically add in some extra features, but leave the credit to me rather than making it your own and try to make it sound like you created it yourself. Next, join the server on Discord. Go over to the channels and roles at the top. Browse your channels. Just make sure that you've got all of the channels ticked. This will show all channels on the Discord server. Once that's done, you can drop in and say hi in the general chat area. If you don't want to chat with anyone, that's fine. But go ahead and head over to the Tech Vault. Make sure the Tech Vault is checkmarked right here. This one needs to be checkmarked because that's where the scripts are. People are saying they're not there. They are there. You just need to look for them. They're right here. I've got two of them right here. The top one is the original one. The second one is the automated and also the interactive. All you need to do here is read all the information here. Make sure you understand what you're getting into when you're using it. There's a little bit of blurb on here on this image. And when you come all the way down the bottom, there'll be two batch files, one automated and one interactive. And you can see right here, they're listed right here. Just read the information. and basically hit the three dots, because some people are saying they can't download it, and hit the download button right here. It's that simple. Three dots and hit download, and it will download the batch file onto your PC. It's that simple. Any other changes you want made to the script, let me know and I'll try and add them in. And if you want other more advanced scripts, they are coming in the future. Now, I didn't really want to make this video today because obviously I made one yesterday, but this is a different script and it's an interactive script. But I did have another video made for today, but things went a bit turbo and I had to release this one instead of the other one because the other one got messed up. Anyway, if you've got any changes you want to have made done, let me know on the Discord server and I'll do my best to make those changes for you. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Hope this video answers all your questions. If you've got any more questions, leave them on the Discord server or in the comments of this video and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Bye for now.